Hey everybody, it's Dr. Mexico back again, and today I want to talk to you about what it means to live an anti-inflammatory lifestyle, or what it means when I use the word anti-inflammatory nutrition or anti-inflammatory diet. So this is going to essentially be a quick video that I'm going to call Anti-Inflammatory Nutrition 101. So why is it important to consume nutrients that are anti-inflammatory? So in order to understand that, you have to put into perspective that inflammation is at the very core, the very center of pretty much every chronic disease known to man. Whether we're treating arthritis, cancer, fibromyalgia, heart disease, you name it, diabetes, at the core center of most of these diseases, really what we're treating as physicians is a chronic underlying inflammatory process. So if that is a fact, and that is in fact true, then we have to ask ourselves, well, where's all this inflammation coming from? So how are people becoming so chronically and overwhelmingly inflamed? And so human beings are genetically adapted and designed to eat foods that by nature are anti-inflammatory. So human beings are designed to eat three main food groups: fruits, vegetables, and lean animal sources, or lean animal proteins and eggs. And really that's it. You can also eat, nuts in condiment or very small sized portions, but that's it. Genetically, that's all human beings are designed to eat. So over the last 2 to 2.5 million years, since human type animals have been around, that's pretty much all we ate were fresh fruits, vegetables, and animals that eat fruits and vegetables. Well, over the past 10,000 years or so, the introduction of being able to consume, processed grains and even whole grains, dairy products and sugars and alcohols, these nutrients are really foreign to the human body, and they really shouldn't be consumed at all, especially not in large quantities. So when I talk about eating an anti-inflammatory diet or anti-inflammatory nutrition, really what I mean is eating the diet that human beings are designed to eat. So fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, and lean protein sources, so animal protein. So think about, like, I'm not telling you to go out and you have to become a hunter-gatherer, but you don't want to consume meat that was, from a cow that was kept in a cage all day and just fed grains. So the foods we want to avoid the most when we're eating an anti-inflammatory diet is we want to avoid grains at all costs, even whole grains. I know it's going to come to a shock to most of you, but grains are powerfully inflammatory. So we want to avoid grains. We want to avoid dairy, and we definitely want to avoid sugars. Those are the main things. So research has actually shown that 73% of the standard American diet, what we like to refer to as the SAD diet, so 73% of the energy intake, or the caloric intake from the standard American diet, comes from grains, dairy, sugar, and alcohol. So that leaves about 25%, just a little over 25% of the calories to come from fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, and lean animal proteins. And unfortunately, we're not really getting lean animal proteins, because even people that are eating animal proteins are getting them from obese meat. They're getting them from animals who are fed grains and who are getting inflammatory foods. So in order to reduce inflammation, in order to reduce the long list of diseases that I mentioned, we need to reduce our dependency on these foods and start eating more of the three main food groups that I mentioned before. And there's a lot more that goes into it than that, especially considering cooking oils that you use and things of that nature. So, but I just want to give you this quick intro to what it means to eat an anti-inflammatory nutrition and to live an anti-inflammatory lifestyle. So when I say that, you know what I'm talking about. So this is your tip for today. So it's Anti-Inflammatory Nutrition 101. This is Dr. Mexico, and make it a great day.